1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Real deal RS option on this one. Rebuilt 350, board 60 over underneath the hood. M22 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that. Was repainted to tuxedo black. Red deluxe bucket interior 742 trim code. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Of course, the hideaway headlights, RS grille. Those are electric now and are working, so we'll show you that here in just a bit. As you can see, paint has a nice luster to it, good shine. This car will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about that. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And you can also call us 507-386-1726. Weld wheels, polished aluminum, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the panels are nice and straight. Like I said a little earlier, paint shows well. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's that red deluxe interior, bucket seats up front, center console car. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look, start it up, let you hear it run. Power windows are working. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The rear quarter looking good, deck lid, chrome on the bumper. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Of course, the 67. First year of the Camaro, Gen 1. And if you're into Camaros, no matter what generation, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. When the videos are uploaded, and videos are uploaded daily, these vehicles are available to purchase either online or right off our showroom floor. So I want to make you aware of that as we take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see that paint shows well, the reflection showing in it, kind of like glass. And this one does look as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Now, some other information I want to quick go through. It does have assembly manual that will go with it, wiring diagrams. There's also receipts, miscellaneous receipts for engine work. It does have a thumper comp cam in there. Did notice that. 650 Holley, Edelbrock intake, manifold, HEI ignition, and cutouts. So some of the things that you're going to notice when we pop the hood. We're also going to let you hear it run here in a second. At the very end of this video, we'll take it for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Power windows. Those are working obviously all down. Deluxe bucket seats, red vinyl. Would have been the original interior color on this car. Seat belts intact. A little aftermarket tack on the steering column and aftermarket gauge cluster. We're going to start out when we fire it up. So, and again, real deal RS. Top of the dash, looking good. You can hear that cam. All right, temp gauge, oil pressure, amp meter. Tack is also working. I have not had the AM radio working, just so you know. Headliner looking good. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. Good sounding car is going to turn heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let me slip up to the front. I want to go ahead and pop this hood. Check out this engine bay. Underside of the hood, so cowl hood And that is metal. That's not fiberglass, just so you know. You have the cowl hood. So, built 350, power brakes. You can also see headers, that Edelbrock intake, poly 4 barrel. There's the HEI ignition, battery disconnect. When it's in storage room between drives. Good looking engine bay. Good sounding car too. Let's check out those headlights real quick also as far as the doors go. And again, those are electric. Headlight doors working. First gen 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe, real deal RS, good looking car. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. And as you can see, there's a couple little drips falling from the sky. Nothing excessive, it's just enough to tease a little bit. This black Camaro is a manual transmission, 4 on the floor, with a sport comp tachometer mounted to the column that is working well. Speedometer works. The fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. Over here on the dash we've got a temperature gauge reading 160. Oil pressure of 70, and the amps are right in the middle of the gauge. Power windows on this Camaro. Factory looking red vinyl bucket seats matching the door and the dash. Wipers work. Just enough drops to show you that the wipers do work. Blower motor works on this car. Nice ride on the highway, just firm enough to know where you are, get a little feedback, but a nice ride. Let's go to second gear for the roundabout. This car corners nice and flat, doesn't lean much. Very nice acceleration and throttle response. Definitely want to check out this Camaro. Looks good and drives good too. uniqueclassiccars.com for pictures and all the information.